Good morning, and thank you for coming out for this historic event. My name is Patrick Etheridge. I'm the VP of Build Mississippi. We are thrilled to death to be able to host this monumental event in partnership with MDOC Works.
This mobile welding classroom, which I'm very excited to see, and I hope you all stick around for the tour, is capable of traveling to the various correctional facilities, specifically those throughout the region in Marshall, Noxubee, Alcorn, Chickasaw, Kemper, and Winston counties, to name a few. Participants nearing their release will earn industry-recognized credentials, which is so important to be paired with these hands-on job skills. When they pair those skills and national certifications, they're able to find the gainful employment they need to rejoin the workforce.
We have a shortage of workforce in our state, and these folks need a second chance to be able to go back into the workforce. Our manufacturers need skilled employees, and this is a great partnership between Accelerate, Hope, and ARC to help people have that second chance.
I think that we need to give our incarcerated individuals every opportunity to come back into the workforce strong. What we learn, and some of what Bradley said up there, is that if you give somebody something to lose, they make better choices. And so I think we're trying to stop a cycle of people coming in and out of the correctional facilities and giving them something to stay out for.
And so it's important that we ensure that as we go forward, this is at the top of our priority list. Opportunities through upskilling, through workforce. If you can get a job, you can do a lot of other things. But you got to be able to get a job. We got too many people that are getting out that can't get a job. They're not ready for a job. It's not just about change of policy. Certainly policy is part of that equation. But putting the tools in place to ensure that people have an opportunity. That's what this is about.